In the near lane, Tom Grossman in a 69 Cougar Eliminator 351 automatic. In the far lane, Doug Hefner, 69 Z28 302 4-speed. Grossman wins 15:08, 90.81 to a quicker but losing 15 flat 93.45. In the near lane, Steve Clax, 72 Mustang 351 automatic. In the far lane, Bill Thorian driving John Shellhorn, 66 Corvette 327 300 4-speed. Thorian wins 14:71, 92.49 to 15:12, 90.45. In the near lane, Mark Anderholt in a 70 Duster 344 speed. In the far lane, Mike Holtz, 87 Grand National. Holt gets there first, 15:40, 87.12 to 15:61, 92.30. In the near lane, Randy Rigotti, 72 Dodge Demon 340 automatic. In the far lane, Tim Sestokas, 68 Mustang 289 automatic. Rigotti gets the win, 14:81, 91.09 to 15:79, 85.22. In the near lane, Dave Mascaro, 71 Dodge Demon 340 automatic. In the far lane, Laura Cherry, 71 Cuda 340 automatic. The starter backs Laura up momentarily. Laura stages her Cuda and the tree counts down. Laura gets there first, 14:77, 93.26 to 15:28, 90.09. In the near lane, Paul Sestokas, 68 Torino 289 automatic. In the far lane, Scott Clays, 87 Grand National. Clay gets the win, 14:48, 94.14 to 16:43, 82.56 miles per hour. In the near lane, Kevin Hoffman, 72 Charger 360 automatic. In the far lane, Jim Ziebert, 70 Cuda AAR 346 pack automatic. The AAR Cuda and its cousin, the TA Challenger, are the most highly developed Mopar small blocks ever conceived. Today, these are very desirable collector cars. Ziebert wins 14:58, 93.75 to 16:54, 80.35 miles per hour. In the near lane, Jerry Riedthaler, 71 Cuda 340 automatic. In the far lane, Craig Konofalski, 71 Demon 344 speed. Konofalski wins 14:58, 96.05 to 16:72, 92.68. In the near lane, Richard Grimm II in a 72 Mach 1 351 4-speed. In the far lane, Dion Gray's 69 Malibu 350 automatic. Grimm gets the win, 15:07, 93.55 to 17 flat, 79.15 miles per hour. In the near lane, Paul Glasgow's 66 GTO 389 tri-power 4-speed. In the far lane, Norm Verhage in a 69 Barracuda 340 automatic. Glasgow wins 1495, 93.84 to 1517, 90.72. In the near lane, John Glasgow's 66 tri-power GTO 4-speed. In the far lane, immediately red lighting, is Tom Slow's 67 Corvette 327 300 horse 4-speed. Glasgow gets the automatic win at 1799, 61.43 miles per hour. In the near lane, Troy Ward's 71 Duster 344 speed. In the far lane, Denny Jensen's 70 GTO Judge Ram Air 4 automatic. Jensen gets the win, 1446, 96.87 to 1450, 97.08. In the near lane, Tom Grossman, 69 Cougar Eliminator, 351 automatic. In the far lane, Richard Grimm II in a 72 Mustang, 351 4-speed. Grimm wins 1568, 92.98 to 1630, 82.64. In the near lane, Laura Cherry, 71 Cuda 340 automatic. In the far lane, Bill Thorian driving John Shellhorn, 66 Corvette 327 300 horse 4-speed. Ryan wins 1522, 88.06 to 1778, 89.55. In the far lane, Johnny Catalis in a 73 Super Duty Trans Am gets the solo by run to end round 4 of Concours class racing. Now small block racing. In the near lane, Tom Ricks in an 86 Regal T-Type. In the far lane, Tom Martin's 86 Grand National. Ricks gets there first, 1403, 98.9 to 1423, 96.77. In the near lane, Paul Winters, 87 Regal T-Type. In the far lane, Lawrence Conley's 86 Grand National. Conley wins 1316, 99.23 to 1350, 101.12. In the near lane, Bob Brown's 86 Grand National. In the far lane, Paul Suloff's 87 Grand National. The Turbo Buick's easy 13-second times allowed them to dominate this year's small block racing. Next year, Chuck Green will apply a widely accepted formula for classing supercharged and turbocharged cars, engine displacement multiplied by 2. Using this formula, these cars will race in the big block class where they will continue to be very competitive. Brown wins 1361, 97.29 to 1482, 86.20. Tim Troutman, 69 Dodge Dart 340 automatic. In the far lane, Jerry Head Jr.'s 68 Barracuda 344 speed and head red lights. Troutman gets the automatic win, 1441, 95.23 to 1590, 90.09 miles per hour. Chris Farracio's 72 Dodge Challenger 340 automatic. In the far lane, Clark Rader in a 73 Dodge Dart 340 automatic. And Rader gets the win, 1485, 95.33 to a 1491, 92.21. In the near lane, Tim Davis in a 71 Dodge Demon 340 4-speed. In the far lane, Mark Schaefer's 79 Z28 Camaro 350 4-speed. Davis wins 1387 102.04 to a trailing 1523 91.64. In the near lane, Dennis Barr's 69 Chevelle 350 automatic. In the far lane, Russell Wiseman 68 Olds 442 400 4-speed. The Chevy takes the win 1410 98.25 to a 1585 89.82. Bob Brown's 86 Grand National. In the far lane, Lawrence Conley's 86 Grand National. Conley wins 1317 102.27 to 1369 98.68.